this is gonna look real familiar. A lot of people call in. It's a panic. It's an emergency. My car's broken. Okay, basically, this is what happens. And you pretty much caused it. You don't remember. Everybody goes, I didn't do that. Oh no, I didn't do that. So basically, after you shut your car off, you're about to get out of your car and you do this. You're getting out, you do this. Okay? And you don't remember doing it. You get out of your car and you just locked your steering wheel. But what happens is when you get back in and you need to go, it's always an emergency. You're gonna lose $1 million if that car doesn't start, right? Then your key in the ignition, you go, and you're, my $1 million, oh my God. Okay? So what do? What's happening? Well, nothing's broken. You activated your steering wheel lock. And essentially that's what's stopping your ignition from turning, right? It's for children's safety, stuff like that, right? So you're not a child, right? That means you can get out of this, okay? So here's the fix, guys. You grab the steering wheel, pull it to the right. See that? It does take some strength, so kids can't do it. See? But you're not a kid, right? Okay? So I'm gonna do it one left hand holding a phone. Okay? When you pull down, you turn. It unlocks your steering wheel. And now you can go get your $1 million. Congratulations, guys.
Help! They sold me a broken car!
Uncle, you gotta hold the brake when you push the start button. Ooh. If this video helped you with your broken car syndrome, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps this channel out a lot.